मुखेलमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत आणि पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटे हांच्या फुडारपणाखाला गोय पर्यटन मंडळाची बसका जाली। ह्या बसकेत पर्यटनाच्या उदरगती खातीर नव्या मार्गाचेर चर्चा जाली। RDX गोवा खातीर परवरेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
गोवा टुरिझम बोर्डाच्या प्रमाणे इट इज मॅन्डेटेड दॅट वी हॅव मिटिंग्स एवरी 6 months आणि ही मिटींग पेंडींग आशिल्ली जी मुख्यमंत्र्यान घेवपाची गरज आशिल्ली ती ताणें आज घेतल्या। वेरियस गोवा टुरिझम बोर्ड म्हणल्यार इज द ओनली बोर्ड इन द कंट्री which constitutes of 50% of industry and 50% of government to sit together and discuss the whole matter whether it related to policy। खूप जाणांचे प्रश्न असतात, पॉलिसी खातीर कितें चिंतता, तुमी कितें करतात, सरकार कितें रिफर करता, खूप आसता। हे सगळे गजाली गोवा टुरिझम बोर्डाच्या एजेंड्याचेर टॉपीक घेवन एक विषय जे इम्पॉर्टंट आसात ताचेर आमी चर्चा करून फुडें तोडगो काडटात। आजूय मिटींग घेवन मुख्यमंत्र्यान थोडे डायरेक्शन दिल्या वेन इट कम्स टू ईज ऑफ डुईंग बिजनेस जावं बाकीच्यो गजाल्यो जावं जातूंतल्यान इंडस्ट्रीनूय आपले कितें विशय आसा ते मांडल्या। दिस इज फॉलोईंग येस्टरडेज मिटींग। कालची मिटींग आमी स्टेक होल्डर्सां कडेन पूर्ण दिवस जी करून काडले वेगळे वेगळे तो प्रेजेंट करून दिलो आणि जंय डिपार्टमेंटली वी नीड टू हॅव इंटरवेन्शन ऑफ वेरियस डिपार्टमेंट्स ते आमी सजेस्ट केल्ले आसा, कित्याक शेवटी टुरिझम एक डिपार्टमेंट बट टुरिझम इंडस्ट्री इज अ कलेक्टीव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। मागीर ते कुत्रे आनी गोरवां हाजेर आसूं, दर्यादेगेक आसूं, ना जाल्यार रस्त्यार थोडी गार्बेजाचे इश्यूज आसूं, हे जे एक एक जे टावट्साचो विशय आसूं, हे वेगळे वेगळे डिपार्टमेंट्साक कन्सर्न आसा। ताजे खातीर वी हॅव आस्क्ड फॉर हिम टू कॉल फॉर अ मिटींग विथ द चीफ सेक्रेटरी फर्स्ट एंड देन डू अ प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द एक्शन टू बी टेकन विथ द चीफ मिनिस्टर टू बी प्रेजेंटेड। सो म्हाका दिसता कालच्यान जी मिटींग सुरू जाल्या, जी आज बोर्डाची मिटींग जावन रोखडोच आमी ह्यो मिटींग्यो घेतली, जातूंतल्यान एक क्लियर कट प्लॅन वन इज टू एब्झॉर्ब and reorient and relook at things which have been concerns for Goa. Technology to be adopted by taxis जावं बाकीच्यो जावं ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाल्यो चर्चेक आयल्यो आनी म्हाका दिसता येता त्या दिसांनी वी वील हॅव टू मेक अ व्हेरी क्लियर प्लॅन ऑफ एन्श्युरिंग दॅट टुरिझम गुड टुरिझम टेक्स प्लेस। बाकीचे विशय इन टर्म्स ऑफ इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर सेंट्रल फंडेड प्रोजेक्ट्स कितें आसा ते इन्फॉर्मेशना खातीर दिल्ले आसात आनी बोर्डाची मिटींग जावन फुडें आतां वता आसतना जे तांणी डायरेक्शन दिल्यात ते मिनिट्स भायर सरना फुडें वी वील एन्श्योर दॅट वी आर एबल टू मूव फास्टर on this particular area.
Today was the meeting of the GTB, Goa Tourism Board. As you know, tourism is handled by the Goa Tourism Board, and this was the first meeting held after 2023. So basically, a large number of issues were discussed, but the major issue was some of the key things that the industry highlighted were on the issues affecting Goa. One was waste along the roads and the roads and the fields. The other thing was to do with requesting that an app, technology in transport, we are not saying an app, even taxi drivers can have their own app, but some technology has to come in. And the third one was that where tourism hotspots are there, we wanted the roads to be maintained in a better way. The other ones about touts and things were put out to the and lastly, we discussed about a policy to make weddings and events easier and ease of doing business policy, where there would be a single window document push and we would get permission for it.
What about sound pollution? What exactly is
Sound pollution was not really discussed in this meeting. What we discussed was that when we right now a lot of event organizers and all have to get permissions from many departments, 5 to 6. And it takes around 40 days to get this permission. So what was discussed was how to simplify that procedure.
No, but you said this meeting has taken place after 2023. So why so late?
You will have to ask the concerned people about why it took 2 years to have it.
You are the PPAG president, no sir?
Yeah, I have taken over in April. So the empowered committees have been working on. So the GTB met. I think it felt necessary that it should meet after this.
Why noise pollution topic was not discussed? Because
It was not
EDM.
It was not on the agenda, and I think the CM had a limited amount of time. So
What did you say
about noise pollution? I think we are very clear that when it comes to the rules are up to 10, and after that I think when you shift indoors, because if you see if you see that noise pollution affects people, and we should be sensitive to their needs. So up to 10 or whatever the rule is, I'm not sure it's 10 or 11, you can allow sound outside, but after that we should look at seeing that they are soundproof venues, or the event should